Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to face fat loss for men. To begin, the most crucial step is creating a calorie deficit. This means consuming fewer calories than your body burns daily. You can calculate your maintenance calories online, then subtract 500 to 750 calories to start. This approach helps ensure steady, sustainable fat loss, typically 1 to 2 pounds per week, without drastic measures. Consistency is key here. Next, let's optimize your diet. Focus on high-protein foods like lean meats, eggs, and legumes to help maintain muscle and keep you feeling full. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Incorporate plenty of vegetables and whole grains for fiber and essential nutrients. Reducing processed foods, sugary beverages, and unhealthy fats will significantly support your fat loss goals and overall health. Effective workouts are vital for men's fat loss. Prioritize strength training 3 to 5 times a week to build and preserve muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism. Incorporate compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and presses. Additionally, add cardiovascular exercise, such as brisk walking or jogging, for 20 to 30 minutes on most days. This combination maximizes calorie burn and improves body composition. Finally, sustaining your progress involves crucial lifestyle factors. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as poor sleep can hinder fat loss and increase cravings. Effectively manage stress through activities like meditation or hobbies, as high stress can elevate cortisol levels. Remember, consistency in your nutrition and exercise plan is the most powerful tool for achieving and maintaining long-term fat loss success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.